Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Learn with Luke. Today we're going to be discussing Xometry's newest job board enhancement and what it kind of means for you, how it works, and the rollout plan. So I'm Luke, Xometry's Community Marketplace Engagement Lead, and today I'm joined by Xometry's Senior Product Manager, Alex Gunter. So Alex has joined us on a previous episode of Learn with Luke where we discussed the partner portal and what you can accomplish there, but today we're going to get into a little bit more stuff about the job board. If you missed that last episode, I'll make sure to link it in the comments below, so make sure to check that out. So Alex, hopping into it, how are you doing today, man?
I'm doing well, and I'm excited to share changes that we've made to the job board that will give you control over what jobs you see and when. And without further ado, I'm going to share my screen and we're going to take a look at the job board. Right off the bat, what you'll notice is that we have 5 offers. As I scroll down, we see that these are C and C jobs. They have match scores. And what I'm going to start off by doing is on the very first job is provide feedback. Let's say that we want to review the details and then provide feedback. For this job, make it 150. As you've been able to do in the past, you can provide feedback and that offer moves over to the feedback tab. But what you'll notice is that we still have 5 offers. A new offer appeared on the job board as soon as we provided feedback on that previous one. So as I scroll down, we now see that there's an additional job offer. Let's say for this one, at that price, we're not interested. Again, we still have 5 offers because even though we cleared one of the offers from the board, it was replaced with another job offer. Now let's scroll down and accept one of the jobs. This one looks good. We'll take a look at the details in order to accept it. And we want to accept the offer. So now that we've accepted the job, we want to go back to the board. And we will see that there are still 5 offers. In other words, every time we have clicked not interested or provided price feedback or accepted a job, it has dynamically retrieved a new job offer for me to look at. And that means that whenever I'm sitting down at my computer, looking at the job board, whether it's first thing in the morning or throughout the day, I'm able to see a set of job offers, and by interacting with them and providing feedback or accepting them, I can unlock and see additional job offers. Let's go down the list, and maybe on one of these, we will provide a different kind of feedback. Maybe on this one, we want to provide price and lead time. Let's say we go to, and on the lead time, let's go out a week there. And manufacturability. So what you're able to do is mix and match the price, lead time, and manufacturability. If you do that and you ask for additional lead time days, it won't result in an automatic updated price offer, but you will still be able to review that job offer by going over to your feedback offers tab and seeing the details of the offers that you've provided feedback on. You will not see any offers that you clicked not interested on. So if we go back to our offers tab, we see that the number has gone down to 4. In other words, we have seen all of the offers that are available. And from here on out, if the number goes down, we are seeing the remaining offers at this time.
Yeah, and it's important to note, like, that's at this time, right? So if you come back to the job board, say an hour later, there could be more jobs on your job board.
That's right. So what is different about this behavior? In the past, you received job offer notifications throughout the day. And often when you clicked on one of those notification details buttons, it would give you a message that the job offer was no longer available. The email was always a couple of minutes after the fact. And so now when you visit the job board, if you refresh it, you will always retrieve the latest set of available offers. And if you provide feedback on jobs, you can also see additional. So whether you're on your computer or from your phone, we recommend visiting the job board whenever you're interested in seeing job opportunities, and that you can bookmark the job board on your phone, right? Whether it's iOS or Android, you can go to the job board and then save it to your home screen. And that makes it easier to check when you're on the go or when you're away from the computer to see if there's any other jobs that have been made available to your job board. And those are the changes. We're very excited about giving you more control about when you see job offers, and when you provide feedback, letting you see additional job offers. Of course, when you provide price feedback by itself, those might come back to your job board with an orange tag, updated price. And in those cases, you will get an email notification. And those are the changes that we're rolling out, and you should be able to see on your job board today.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Alex, for walking through that with us. I'm really excited about this. And I know some partner feedback is that emails, and maybe I got an email and I still missed the job. Now, when you get on there, you see the jobs that are available, you take them. You don't see one that you like, provide some feedback on it, new one takes its place, those kinds of things. So it's really exciting. So thank you for stepping in today and being able to explain that a little bit.
Thank you, Luke.
Yeah. Thanks everybody for watching, and join us next week for another episode of Learn with Luke. Bye guys.
Bye, everyone.